push and pull occurs. What is this push and what is this pull? Push is when we apply force on any object and the object will move away from us. For example, this is a bench and I am applying force on this bench and this is moving away from me. Now, what is pull? Pull is when we apply force on any object and the object will move towards us. See, like I am here applying force on the bench and this is moving towards me. So, this is pull. Force can be divided into two types, the contact and non-contact force. The contact force. The contact force is a force which we apply through direct physical contact. For example, I want to lift this duster. I use my hands and I touch this and I use a direct physical contact with this duster. So this is a contact force. Now the non-contact force. For example, I am throwing this pencil downside. Why doesn't it flow on the air? Why does it fall down? Because there is a force present in the earth that attracts this pencil. Now, these forces can be further divided into muscular force, magnetic force, frictional force, and the gravitational force. Now let's learn about the muscular force and the frictional force. What is this muscular force? Muscular force is a force which our muscles use to lift or move any object. Like I have given an example of this duster. I use my muscles to lift this duster. Now is the frictional force. Like I am rubbing my hands. When the two surfaces are in contact with each other. Like here I am rubbing the board with the duster. There are two surfaces of the duster and the board are in contact with each other. So this is causing friction between them. Now are the magnetic and the gravitational force. They are the two non-contact forces. Magnetic force is a force that a magnet exerts on another magnet or any magnetic object. Now is the gravitational force. Gravitational force is a force which is present in the heavenly bodies like Earth. For example, you might have tried that whenever any fruit falls down from a tree, why doesn't it flow in the air? Why does it fall down? Because there is present gravity inside the earth that attracts this fruit towards itself. Now, as we have learned about these types of forces, now let's learn what is work. Work is when we apply force on an object and the object will move in the direction of the force. Like I am applying force towards there and this object is also moving there. So I am performing work. But there would be confusion in your mind. What if I apply force on this board? This isn't moving. So is the work performed? No. If the object is not displaced, means the place is not changed of the object, so means this is not the work. We can perform work by ourselves or use different machines. There are present a machine known as simple machine. They are mechanical devices that use less force to make our work done. For example, I can squeeze a lemon with my hand. But what if I use a lemon squeezer? My work will just be done very quickly and with lesser effort. There are 6 types of simple machines: lever, wheel and axle, screw, wedge, wheel and axle, screw, wedge, pulley, and the inclined plane. Now let's learn about the levers. What are levers? Lever is a rigid rod that rotates around a fixed point. Now, there can be 3 parts of a lever: an effort, load, and fulcrum. What's effort? Effort is the force that we apply on an object. Load. Load is an object on which the work is being done. Now is the fulcrum. Fulcrum is the place where the 2 rods rotate. There can be 3 types of levers: first order, second order, and the third order lever. What is first order lever? First order lever is a lever in which the fulcrum is present between the load and the effort. For example, is the scissor. What is the second order lever? Second order lever is a lever in which the load is present between the effort and the fulcrum. The example is the nutcracker. Now is the third order lever. Third order lever is a lever in which the effort is present between the load and the fulcrum. For example, is the broom, or we can say shovel is also an example of third order lever. Now let's learn about the wheel and axle. What's this wheel and axle? They are a combination of a wheel and an axle and a combination of a wheel and an axle connected together to move the things together. See, first of all, you might have think about this when we rotate the steering wheel of a car. Why does the other wheels of the car also rotate? Because whenever we rotate the steering wheel of a car, this is connected with an axle, and this axle is again connected to another axle, and that axle is connected to an wheel. So with the other wheels of the car. So whenever we rotate the steering wheel, the other wheels also rotate. There are some other wheel and axles that are present around us, like the doorknob and the screwdriver. Now is the screw. We will learn about screw. Screw is a nail-like structure having threads, and this is used to hold things together, and also this is also used to make holes. And this was all about my presentation. Bye.